After fully automatic glass loading, and the material is wiped parallelly with alcohol on the ITO terminal through dust-free rolling cloth, and surface treatment is finished through plasma. The ACF and COG are able to attach to the glass FPC bonding area. Meanwhile, processing IC bonding through the visual alignment system, get fog attached and process FPC bonding. To connect with the ground, silver paste is then applied to the CF surface area. Then the FPC binding position and the glass back angle are then coated with UV and cured by purple light. Now the product is in a semi-finished state rather than a material state. After fog printing, semi-finished products will have electrically tested and OQC inspected. The qualified products are selected and sent to the middle workshop to continue production. In the mid-section workshop, materials for TP and fog are further inspected in the mid-section workshop to make sure that only qualified semi-finished products move on to the next production process. The inspected TP splash covers are placed in a cleaning machine and simultaneously wiped with dust-free rollers, alcohol, and petroleum ether to lessen floating dust. Then, using an OCA attachment machine, the TP splash covers are calibrated and attached with OCA without deviation. Following inspection, the fog is peeled off and cleaned. Next, the TP and fog are aligned and bonded using a visual alignment system. Entering the assembly process, place the bonded products in the electrostatic tray. Then put them into the high-pressure debubbling furnace for high-pressure debubbling, with the film is laminated following a second thorough inspection and solidification. The product with TP is aligned with backlight using a visual alignment system. As the assembly completes, start soldering by a fully automatic soldering machine and an automatic visual alignment system. At the same time, conducting AOI testing on finished products and arrange OQC random inspections simultaneously.